Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to buy stocks on Robinhood. This tutorial will walk you through the step-by-step process of investing in the stock market using the Robinhood platform. First, you need to download and install the Robinhood app on your mobile device or access the website on your computer. Once you have the app or website open, you will need to create an account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. After creating your account, you will need to fund it by linking your bank account or using other payment methods. The minimum deposit required to start trading on Robinhood is $1. Once your account is funded, you can start searching for the stocks you want to buy. You can do this by typing the name of the company or the stock ticker symbol in the search bar. For example, if you want to buy Apple stocks, you can type Apple or AAPL in the search bar. After selecting the stock you want to buy, you will need to choose the number of shares you want to purchase. You can do this by typing the number of shares or the amount of money you want to invest. For example, if you want to invest $100 in Apple stocks, Robinhood will automatically calculate the number of shares you can buy based on the current stock price. Before you make a purchase, it is essential to review the order details, including the number of shares, the price, and the total cost. You should also be aware of any fees associated with the transaction. Although Robinhood is known for offering commission-free trades, after reviewing the order details, you can confirm your purchase by swiping up or clicking the buy button. Your order will be executed immediately, and the stocks will be added to your portfolio. It is essential to have a basic understanding of the stock market and the risks associated with investing before you start buying stocks. It is also crucial to set a budget and stick to it to avoid significant losses. In conclusion, buying stocks on Robinhood is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes. By following these steps and being mindful of the risks and best practices, you can start investing in the stock market and achieving your financial goals.